Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have some leather adhesive. So if you have a hole in your leather, like in a item like this, such as a leather chair or something like that, what you can do is you can use this and it will help stick it back together again. So let's see, so it comes with a little pin that goes inside of the little thing there, and then it just squeezes out, and it'll squeeze out just the tube, kind of like, looks like rubber cement kind of stuff or something like that. But then you can just close it back up again. And then once you get it on there, you just brush it with the little brush that it has. And you can even like use like another piece of leather or something like that on top of it to give it a pattern or something like that if you need to. It says it air dries in 2 to 5 minutes. You can heat with a hair dryer for a few seconds to become tacky. And then, so first you put it on, then you let it wait for a few minutes until it becomes tacky, and then you're able to bond it. And you hold it for a few seconds, and then it takes 24 hours before you can use it. So if you have holes in your leather seats or something like that in your car or something like that, or in purses, it looks like it has here, leather belt, pants, briefcase, purses, whatever, just lots of different things here, leather sofa, car seat, leather jacket. I just don't have any holes in any of my items right now. I've just got a new chair. I did have holes in the old chair, but it had in the arms, but now I have a new one, so I'm good. But this is great stuff here. I've used similar, and so this is kind of the instructions. Very cool, nice to have, super easy, and I like it. Thumbs up for sure.